In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a formula to multiple cells in Excel using Microsoft Excel. We'll use a simple example with the sum function so you can see exactly how to build one formula and then copy it across a range without retyping anything. By the end, you'll know how to set it up once and let Excel do the rest. First, pick the cell where you want your total to appear. Click into that cell and type an equal sign, then the word sum, then an open parenthesis. Now with the parenthesis open, click and drag to highlight the cells you want to add together. You'll see that Excel is building the formula as you select. Once your range is highlighted, close the parenthesis and press Enter. Excel calculates the total immediately. This confirms that your formula is working for that first cell. Now for the time saver, copying that same formula to multiple cells. Click the cell that contains your sum result. Look closely at the bottom right corner of that cell. You'll see a small square. This is called the fill handle. Move your cursor over that square until it turns into a small black cross. Click and hold, then drag the fill handle down if you want to total multiple rows in the same column, or drag it across if you want to total multiple columns in the same row. Release the mouse when you reach the last cell where you want the totals to appear. Excel automatically copies the formula and adjusts the cell references for each position. This is called relative referencing, and it's why each copied formula adds the correct set of cells without you needing to rewrite anything. To double-check, click one of the filled cells and look at the formula bar. You'll see the range has shifted appropriately for that row or column. A couple of quick tips as you do this. Make sure you're grabbing the tiny square in the corner. If you drag from an edge, you might resize the cell instead of copying the formula. If that happens, press undo to revert. Also, ensure the cells you're summing contain numbers, blanks are fine, and text is ignored by SUM. If your data is laid out consistently, the fill handle will give you clean, accurate totals in seconds. And that's it. That's how to copy a formula to multiple cells in Excel using the fill handle. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.